Friends, over the last 2 months, we have conducted a lot of training programs, pre-promotional training programs for various banks. We had conducted 2 training programs for Union Bank of India, 7 training programs for UCO Bank, and 1 training program for Punjab National Bank, and we had already conducted 1 training program for Indian Bank also. So, friends, this training program is exclusively for Indian Bank. So I welcome you on this platform from today onward up to from 21st February up to 27th February. We will be together, we will be discussing, we will be interacting, and we will be updating our knowledge. I will be updating your knowledge, you will be updating my knowledge. Welcome you, welcome on this platform, all the participants. So friends, we have with us former executive of Bank of India right now, Mr. Alok Kulkshetra. So Alok Kulkshetra is a senior faculty and our mentor also. I would request Mr. Alok Kulkshetra to say a few words to boost the morale of participants so that they can prepare for the written test with full of confidence. Yeah, sir.
A very hearty good morning to all my friends. Uh, thank you, Mr. Gulati, first of all, for having me, giving me this chance of, in fact, meeting all bankers and friends across the banking industry. This is a great opportunity. Uh, I mean, very rarely you get such an opportunity to talk to friends across the banking industry. Uh, Friends, the most important thing which I felt like sharing is that if you have opted for taking this promotional examination in the bank, I would say that you are at a very cusp or a stage of your banking career. Once you have decided to uh, take this promotional exam in banking, that you are at a very important stage of your career, because having served the banking industry for last 40 years, I have seen so many friends. I'm talking something very off the cuff, preparation, etc., question, etc. Of course, we shall be discussing during this course of our course of this training. But I'm trying to share something, my inner thoughts with you. I have seen so many of my friends who never went for the promotions, and I have watched their lives closely during all these years. Somewhere inside, they always had a thing. I mean, there were so many reasons. Somebody wanted to stay in Delhi, somebody wanted to stay in Jaipur, somebody never wanted to leave Bombay, and things like that. Somebody's wife was working somewhere, some had very good educational facilities for their children. But apart from all these things, they always had something at the back of their mind that they should have gone for the promotion in the banking industry. You know, a very old saying that still water is never good. The river flows. So water which is in a pond is never helpful. So this promotion in the banking industry, I mean, one must go for it. And once you have decided to opt for this promotion, then it is your duty to prepare well, prepare hard, and go hard at the examination. There are no soft options. You have to prepare hard, because it is a very competitive environment these days. So as a banker, you have got to prepare hard and go to it. One more thing which I would like to add, that in the social environment of our country, Banking, of course, we know it is a very respectable job. It's a very nice job, comfortable job. Of course, comfortable not these days, but it is a respectable job. So we owe to our family, we owe to our children to see that their father, mother, I mean, they are getting what they deserve. Sometimes I also felt so many of my friends, they always thought, Are yaar, I was a general manager material, I was a DGM material, and somehow or other I just stayed in skill 1 or 2 or 3, whatever. What is this? So this feeling should not become when you look back and look at your career in life. So my message and my request for you will be to take this training course designed by our dear friend Mr. Gulati, who is a very experienced banker and very experienced trainer. So this course seriously, and apart from whatever is discussed in the class, I mean, I'm sure he won't be able to discuss everything in the class. So there will be so many topics, so many things that you have to prepare on your own. Try to take them seriously and try to prepare hard and give, I mean, come out of this examination ordeal with flying colors. I wish you all the best. I'm sure with your zeal, enthusiasm, and tenacity, you'll be able to clear this thing, and hope we shall be able to interact when you go to the next promotion test of your career. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Alok Kulkshetra sir. Thank you so much for advising and motivating all the participants. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.